Good morning, everyone. Hi, everyone. I would like to introduce everyone to how to making tea to be delicious. Before you have to making tea, you have to throw the hot water on the teapot. Yeah, and this is the first that you have to hot the teapot on over there, and after that you take that hot water to the teacup that you have to drink, and then everyone have to put your tea. Yeah, your tea. This is called oolong alizan tea. Oolong alizan tea. And then before making tea, you have to it is mean you have to clean the first water. You have to clean the first water of the tea, and this is the first one that you have to clean the first water. Yes, you clean the first water of the tea and clean like that. Yes, and after cleaning yes, and when the water that you have to drink, this is the second water, yes, the second water of the tea. And yes, this is the second water of the tea. Yes, it is all right for making tea. Yes, as my video show, the first you have to clean the teapot, and you have to clean the cup that you drink, and also you you make the tea, the first one of the water you should not drink, but you have to drink the second water of the make of the tea. This is the tea that I made. Yes, that's all right, so you can drink. Yes, goodbye, thank you for your watching.